Hello friends, welcome to Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today we learn advanced Excel functions, if and VLOOKUP, how to apply to engineering scenarios. This is the ARP report, work order number, subcontract activity, work order quantity, amount, total amount, contractor name. I will show you here how to bifurcate the data. Here we remove the repetitive work order numbers, copy, Control V, go to data, remove duplicates. Total count is 87. After removing duplicates, now count is 33. How to set the formula of SUMIF? Here we require a work order amount against these work order numbers. Now go to SUMIF in bracket, go to sheet 1. Here function F4 freeze the cell, comma, compared to what? This work order number. Required the things, total amount of work order. From here to here, again freeze the cell, function F4 bracket complete, enter. We get the value of work order. This total amount is equal to sum $3.56 here. Here is the total amount is the 3.56 here. This is a cross check. Another one, this freeze cell, every time, every report, check the last cell number. Similarly, change here also. Now, in VLOOKUP, how to set that formula? In VLOOKUP, required a column number. We require a contractor name. Now go to VLOOKUP, compare data, work order number, freeze the only first alphabet, yes, comma, select the report. Here we select the report from first column to last column. It's 1 to 8 column. If we select from second to 8, count similarly 1 from here and freeze the cell. We required a 7 number column for contractor name, comma, 7, comma, 0, enter. Drag this forward. Here we get the contractor name. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.